All right, folks, I'm now going to show you how to create and delete a new scene. So right now I'm currently in our miscellaneous events list that we have. That's just where I'm going to kind of show this example. I would say if you're in a spot of choosing, of creating kind of a new scene and it's not listed in the list, that's either Sundays, youth midweek, prayer, Christmas, miscellaneous events, and then we have some other ones that we have listed. If you don't have one that's specifically right here in the list already, definitely talk to Sarah, and Sarah Baker or the tech director. They will be your best sources of knowing which list to make your new scene in. However, in this situation, I'm just going to use the miscellaneous events list to just kind of show what we're doing here. So I think we should start, before we start deleting things, we'll start adding things. So as of right now, I'm going to kind of move this. This is currently our lighting scene. Very blue, very yellow. It's very nice. So here's what we're going to do. Make sure that you can still see that. That looks good. All right, so I'm going to add a new cue. I'm going to hit R, the letter R, which is going to bring up the word record. And we'll see record Q6. I'm saying Q6 because as of right now, we are just 2 through 5. So you're going to want to make a cue that does not exist already. So we'll hit enter, and now we have Q5. Now you can label this by just saying Q5. We hit L. It should just automatically then pop up, and we can call this, L. We can call this our test lights. Enter, boom, there it is, just like that, test lights, it's in. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a little bit of a different lighting scene here. So using this, what we'll do is let's just make all of these orange. Maybe make it a little bit brighter. So we'll go, make these more orange. Great, yeah. So I'm doing the blues. Make this like, see how this goes. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just clicking random things. It's gonna be such a wild looking scene, but we're devoting to it. We're committing. There's no going back. And this is definitely wild. Okay, and the maps, let's make them all green. Why not? It just looks like vomit out there. It's horrible. How about blue? Let's make it just like super different. Okay, so we now have made this scene. It's quite a spectacle, to say the least. So that's what we're working with. You can kind of see how different it is from what it originally was. Now, all right, going back to our scenes. I'm gonna hit that camera thing right there, and that'll put us right back into this snapshot. Now, going back into this, say that we love it. What we're gonna do is we're then gonna hit the record Q6, and we're gonna hit enter. It's gonna ask us to please confirm. We're gonna hit enter again. And now, say we're at Q5. So if I hit go to Q5, there we go. So now I'm at Q5. If I wanted to then switch back and hit my space bar, I'm going to show you essentially that now it has saved my changes. And then there it goes. It's switching now to the horrendous looking lighting scene that we just made. There we go. All right, now it is horrendous. Who are we kidding? All right, let's delete it. Let's get rid of Q6. It's horrible. What you're gonna wanna do, super duper easy, you're just gonna hit the delete key right there, Q6. It's gonna ask you to confirm, and there it is, as if it never existed. And that's how you add, well, that's my hands, that's how you add and delete lighting scenes.